Hello friends, in this video we will wash the engine compartment. A clean engine compartment is not only a pleasant sight to the eye, but also guaranteed to the correct operation of the power plant and a large resource. But putting things in order under the hood requires some preparation, otherwise such cleaning will only bring problem. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not to miss a new video on the channel. During operation, dirt accumulates on the outer walls of the engine and attachment, pipe and wiring, which cause overheating and failure of the most expensive unit of any car. But it's impossible to wash the engine with a hose. Even covering the battery and generator with plastic and is done in a car wash. Such cleaning can only lead to a service station. Many have probably seen the following pictures. A car wash worker directs the car hair to the motor and sprinkles it with all his heat at a pressure of 150 bar. With such shelling, it's very easy to damage the electric wiring, various relay and sensor, even though the latter are usually covered with protective cover. Another danger is water getting into candle wells. And if you fill the generator, you can damage the insulation material, which will lead to corrosion of the diode bridge, oxidate of the diode contacts, and ultimately failure of the generator device. If you don't want to risk for fear of flooding or damaging important components and electrical wiring, you can resort to washing the engine with steam. The essence of the method consists in supply dry steam with a temperature of 150 Celsius under pressure of 710 atm on contaminated external element of the power plant, so dirt and oil stain are effectively removed and moisture does not accumulate in the place of electrical contacts. The downside is the complexity and high cost of the procedure. Plus, steam washing can only be carried out by qualified personnel due to the risk of thermal injury. Another effective way to clean the engine compartment is chemical. Auto parts stores have a huge selection of chemical, various spray, car shampoo, and solution for cleaning powertrain housing. Or, if you wash, you can use household products. For example, a solution of ordinary washing soap dilutes in warm water. In the latter case, warm up the motor to about 40 degrees, apply the solution with a rag or sponge, wait a quarter an hour until the dirt turns off. Then rinse off our brush of the solution with a brush, not being too loose with water. For competent cleaning of the engine compartment, you will need a couple of canisters of clean water, spray bottle, film and masking tape, rags and sponge, as well as specialized detergents. Try and wash trace of motor oil with household chemical is a thankless task. Moreover, many smudges succumb only to a solvent or other powerful chemistry. Gently and carefully, without sudden movement and gauze technique with layer by layer, we wash off the dirt from all surface, pipe and hose. Special courtesy is required by the washing, violation of the integrity of which will lead to subsequent financial injection. Having washing the engine compartment properly, we proceed to washing the battery. Its service life is directly related to the amount of dirt on the surface. You should also cleanse the terminal from plug wear. This will facilitate starting the engine and ensure the smooth operation. Dirt constantly flies from the road, which settles in the engine compartment in the form of thick layer of dust. If you don't wash it, Then all this dirt will become to bearing ground of corrosion and various problems with electrical contact. It's similar necessary to require wash the engine because on same car even the candles cannot be changed normally due to dirt in the candle wells. But you need to wash the motor accordingly to certain rules and not middles watering with a hose. And finally, we strongly advise against cleaning oil stains on the engine caused with the gasoline, diesel, fuel, kerosene, and other flammable substances. Although the substances are effective solvent and can be easily removed from the engine surface, they are highly flammable, so you should not play with fire in the literal sense of the word. In theory, the engine compartment of modern cars are well protected from contamination. However, if the car is not new, it has been operated in several modes, in particular off-road. Attention should be paid to cleaning the engine compartment. The main dirt here in the radiator, in the cells of which fluff, leaves, sand, salt, and insects eventually sit. This creates a kind of traffic jam on the way for airflow and, as a result, the motor starts warm up, and the often humming fan of the cooling system is a sure indication of this process. It also makes sense to regularly clean, and in case of several contaminations, roll over the battery and dirty wire. The fact is also only electrical equipment provoke an electrical leakage, which leads to deteriorate in the start of the motor and a rapid discharge of the battery. The cause of it also necessary to fight against the formation of smudge on the wells of the engine. In an unfavorable sense, such contamination can ignite. Finally, with a clean power unit, fluid leaks are immediately noticeable, which allow you to quick respond to the first sign of malfunction. Well, when everything is cleanly cleaned, dried, you can walk with protective against that protects the plastic from dry out, gives them a more saturated look. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like and put a bell so as not to miss a new video on the channel.